Hi. The new latest visitor visa policies. The key differences between the old and new visitor visa policies for Canada are: number one, duration of visas. Previously, 10 years multiple entry visas were routinely granted. Now, visa durations are determined on case by case basis. Number two, officer discretion. Now, the officer discretion have more flexibility to decide whether to issue single entry visa or multiple entry visa and to determine the validity period based on individual circumstances. Number two, assessment criteria. Applicants are now evaluated more thoroughly, considering factors like ties to the home country, frequency of travel to Canada, and financial stability. Also, the purpose of visit. Number three, alignment with needs. Visa durations are now more closely aligned with the application and applicant immediate needs and contexts rather than defaulting to maximize validity. Immigration management. Immigration management, the new policy is part of broader strategy to manage temporary immigrant levels, address housing shortage, and control rising living costs. So these changes mean that the frequent visitors to Canada may encounter short-term visas and potentially increase application costs due to more frequent renewals. And what applicants should do to avoid delay and rejection of visitor visas. To avoid delays, ensure completeness. Submit all required forms and documents listed on personalized checklist. Provide consistent information and double check that all details are accurate and consistent across all documents. And demonstrate strong ties to home countries. Submit proof of employment, property ownership, and family responsibilities. And also show the sufficient funds. Provide clear financial documentation that includes bank statement, proof of income, and explain the purpose of visit. Include details, itinerary, and supporting documents like invitation letter and event registration. And also be honest and transparent. Disclose any previous visa refusal or immigration issues. Another thing is that prove intention to return. You have to make them clear that you are going to return to your home country and demonstrate reason to leave Canada after the authorized stay, and show them you have proper job, you have house, you have other family relatives, and you cannot leave them behind. You will definitely go back to your home country as so many things are running and they cannot run without me for a longer stay. And organize and submit the strong cover letter. Clearly explain the purpose of visit and address potential concerns. Organize document properly and present information in a logical and easy review manner, numbering, and so that all the officer can evaluate and see what part and what documents where to find. Also meet the photo specification criteria. Submit the photograph that meet the official requirement, because you submitted all the information correct and you work hard, everything, all documents are good, but you failed in only just a simple photograph requirement that they say that don't smile, don't wear glasses, and don't wear hat, and it should be normal. Also provide the travel history, include information about previous international travel. It should be a positive point if applicable. By following these steps, applicants can significantly improve their chances of successful Canadian visitor visa applications. So, in conclusion, ultimately, these changes underscore the dynamic nature of the immigration policies and the need for both applicants and immigration authorities to remain flexible and responsive to changing global circumstances. As Canada refines its approach to temporary visas, it will be essential to monitor the impact of these policies on tourism, business relations, and international exchange in the coming years. So be prepared and be vigilant. Keep in touch with IRCC Canada website. If there are any changes or updates, it's are readily available so that you should not miss any point. Stay blessed. Thank you.